The 2025 Bajaj Maxima 100-seater auto rickshaw is redefining urban transportation with its massive capacity and innovative design. Built to tackle overcrowded streets, this vehicle is engineered for efficiency, comfort, and sustainability. Designed with a robust yet lightweight frame, the Maxima 100 ensures structural integrity while maintaining fuel efficiency. It features an extended chassis and reinforced suspension to accommodate 100 passengers without compromising stability. The seating arrangement is optimized with multiple levels, similar to a double-decker bus but within the compact footprint of a rickshaw. The powertrain includes a high-performance electric motor, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional fossil fuel rickshaws. It runs on a fast-charging battery pack, offering a range of up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. The vehicle supports solar-assisted charging, enhancing energy efficiency. For safety, the Bajaj Maxima 100 is equipped with advanced braking systems, reinforced safety bars, and smart sensors to monitor weight distribution. Emergency exits and automated balance control ensure passenger security, even on uneven terrains. The digital dashboard provides real-time data on battery status, speed, and passenger count. Smart ticketing and automated entry systems streamline boarding and departure, reducing wait times in busy areas. Integrated Wi-Fi and USB charging ports enhance passenger convenience. With its groundbreaking design and sustainable features, the 2025 Bajaj Maxima 100-seater auto rickshaw is set to revolutionize urban commuting, providing an efficient, eco-friendly, and high-capacity transport solution for the future.